Hi, my name is Susie Hutton. I'm a video production assistant for Colorado State University Extension, and I've had a few questions about how to use YouTube efficiently and how to edit videos for free and how to also edit closed captioning for videos. All of this you can do inside YouTube, so I was thinking that today we would go over how to use YouTube to edit videos and also to edit your closed captioning. So before we get into YouTube, I thought I'd go over a quick PowerPoint with you guys to give you some pointers and things to know about YouTube before you get started. And then we'll jump in and I'll show you how to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So things to know before you edit videos inside YouTube. You do need to have your own channel. So if you do want to edit things, you have to either have access to the CSU extension channel to edit inside it, or you can make your own channel and then edit your video inside that, download it, and then upload it to the channel that you want. So one thing to know about the editor inside YouTube is that it only cuts every 2 seconds. So if you do mess up, you want to give yourself plenty of time and give yourself space to make a cut that you need. Also, just so that you know, the editor inside YouTube can't fix audio. Like if your audio is too quiet or if it's not a good quality, it can't really fix that. You can't alter colors or add graphics inside the YouTube editor. In your own channel, you can edit, upload, and download videos. But even if you start a new channel for the purpose of editing, keep uploading the videos that you're making to your original channel so that you don't confuse your audience. Okay, so with that, we'll get started inside YouTube. So I'm just going to go over to Google Chrome and then go over to YouTube. Just youtube.com is fine. You can also sign in through Google if you have a Gmail account. So right here, I'm in the CSU extension channel. So I'm going to go ahead and click the ram's head. And then I'm going to go over to your channel. Next, I'm going to go over to these two blue buttons over here, kind of on the right middle hand side, where it says Customize Channel and also YouTube Studio. I'm going to click YouTube Studio. That's going to take me over to the channel dashboard, which is going to give me the channel analytics and a few different data points. But over on the left-hand side, under the big ram's head where it says Your Channel, you'll see that it has dashboard, videos, playlists, analytics, comments, subtitles, monetization, and audio library. So in order to edit the videos, we're going to go over to the videos, and it gives me in a list all of the videos that have been uploaded lately. So let's just say, for example, that I wanted to edit this planting cool crops. I'm going to click on this video here. And then over here on the left-hand side of the screen, under the thumbnail where it says Your Video, I'm going to go down to Editor. Then inside that, I can start editing the video. So just to go over a few different things here, you see this track down at the bottom. The first track has your video, so that would be the slideshow that's playing through. And then with the music note, that's the track that denotes your audio. So you can actually add in music or another voiceover if you had that here. You just can't edit or alter the audio that you have. So if you were to click this button, it's going to take you to royalty-free music that YouTube has that you could potentially put on, or if you're looking for something more specific than what's available, you can always contact me or Mark Rose to give you music if you need it. Over here above the track, it has a button called Trim that you'll need to click before you can actually make any edits. So like, let's just say that you wanted to take out this slide here. So I would go to the very beginning, kind of play it. Okay, I'm gonna stop it there. I'm gonna go down here to where it says split. Just left click that. And now I can start to make a few more edits. So I can click and drag to the left, and that's going to start to make a cut. So as I click and drag, anything that's grayed out here, when I hit the Save Changes button, is going to be cut out. So just be careful that you are cutting out exactly what you want. And that's kind of basically as much as this editor can do inside YouTube. If you have like a faulty start at the beginning or at the end, or just some things that you need to take out, this is a really good tool that's free that you can use. So again, you just hit split and start to click and drag what you didn't want. You can pull it from the other side as well. And that's how you make edits inside YouTube. If you don't like the changes that you've made, you can go back here to this X button, and it should get rid of that for you. It's just an undo button. Once you've made changes, you will hit this button up here. Will go blue. You have to hit the preview button down here first, and then you can preview what you've done, and then you'll hit the save button, and it may take a couple of hours, but it will upload, or it will update your video so that you then have an edited version of your video. If you don't like what you did, you can just hit discard, and that will keep your original video. You can also go back if you decide later that the edit wasn't good, to the edited version, and the next time you come in here, this revert to original should be available for you, and you'll be able to go back to your original version. So that's kind of one nice thing. So I'm going to go back over here under Studio in the top left to Channel Videos. And let's say now that I wanted to add or edit the closed captioning videos that were inside my video. So for that, I'm going to go back over to this thumbnail where it says your channel, and go down to the subtitles category, and I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to click on the video that I want, and then, or at the very right hand side, it has the subtitles category, and on this vertical ellipse, for your options, you can edit on Classic Studio. So if I go over there, now I can edit the closed captioning that I have. So I'm going to hit edit, and you can see here that it already has a transcription that the software inside YouTube has already put together. It's called the automatic English transcription, and as we know, like, it's not always particularly accurate, so it's a good thing to go through and edit things so that it makes more sense and so that it's more readable. Common things is that it won't put in like punctuation, you won't have period endings or commas, and things aren't always capitalized they need it the way they need to be, or it's just completely the wrong word. So you can go through here and just kind of check it. Another thing that you can do is edit when these closed captions come up. So if I go down to the closed captions under the video here, I can click and drag, and that's gonna change when the time starts. So as I scoot it over to the right, it'll start later. As I scoot it over to the left, it will start sooner. So with that, you can just kind of shorten or lengthen the subtitles as you need. So I would just go through it and edit it so that it's accurate and professional looking. And then once I'm done, I can come up here to save changes and hit that button. and then it might take a couple minutes for you to actually see it change. But then once it's done, you'll see up here it says subtitles published, and you'll be ready to go with your new edited version. So that's everything that I have on editing inside YouTube and editing your closed captions. So if you have any questions for me, please feel free to shoot me an email, or if you want a tutorial on something else regarding video, then I'm happy to do that. Yeah, have a great day, stay safe, and thanks for watching.